GOP presidential candidate, Fox News contributor, and author of The Right Problems: What the President, Congress, and Every Candidate Should Be Working on. Herman, great to see you. What do you make of that?
Thanks,
what Phil Klein said, and what Steve Schmidt said, and what Mark Salter said, and some of these other guys? I'm with her.
Well, all of the people that are never Trump, the Republican tent got bigger, but they don't want it to get bigger. They want to stay in a narrow definition of the Republican Party, a narrow definition of what conservatism is all about. Secondly, if they were to take the time and step back and look at Donald Trump's top priorities, not all of the political noise, they will find that they are more aligned with the big issues relative to what Donald Trump is talking about than all of this political noise. So I think that this is kind of like a wound. It takes time to heal, and the deeper the wound, the longer it takes. Now, some people like Phil, it may never heal. That's why he's saying never Trump. That's his prerogative to do so. But I happen to believe, as some of the others have said, that I see a movement of more people saying, okay, let's get real. I'd rather have Trump and never Hillary than to have Hillary and never Trump.
And just to correct what I said,
that's
Phil
exactly right.
Phil is not "I'm with her." That was a different. Phil did not say he's with her. That's Mark Salter who said he's with her, along with a couple of other folks like Ben Howe. But what do you make of the fact, Paul Manafort is a good soldier to Donald Trump, but there is one questionable Rasmussen poll that shows Trump beating Hillary in a general by 2 points, and there is one battleground state poll that puts him behind Hillary by just 3, but all of the national polls, all of them, put her beating him, and most of those show her beating him by double digits up to 15 points. So you have to admit he's got some work to do. What is the work? What is it? He
has some work to do, Megan, and I indicated this in a commentary 9 months ago. It's 50% perception, and that perception is shaped by the sound bites that people hear and see continuously over a long period of time. What Donald Trump and his campaign has to do is to try and reshape that perception. Secondly, I don't believe all of these polls, because too many of them can be manipulated, or they'll use a very small sample size and say, wow, look at this result. He has time. No, not all of them are wrong.
But that's a different argument than saying, okay, they're right, but he's got 7 months to turn it around. You're saying all these polls are just wrong right now?
No. I didn't say all of them are wrong, Megan. I said some of them can be manipulated, and some of them have been manipulated. What I'm saying is, now, between now and the convention, now that the field is clear, I believe Donald Trump can help reshape that perception. Perception is driven a lot by the messages that are coming through the media. That's just the way it is. And he's been a master of that leading up to this point, and I believe he's going to understand what he needs to do to help reshape that. So I'm not excited about what the polls say today. I would be concerned about what the polls say 3 months from now.
And he's pointed out many times he has not yet started on her, and he has proven, if there's one thing Donald Trump has proven, is that he is a master at controlling the message through the media. Herman, it's always great to see you.
Thanks, Megan.